Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield today with the drone today, because all them spans that were ready to go up are all up now. All 6 of them, the 3 back spans and the 3 front spans. And I'm going to take a little look at them. I'm going to go over the site, have a little look over the site as well, see what's going on new. But it looks like it's all going on inside now, so we're not going to get much of it. An insight unless we can get inside. What did they invite us inside to do some groundwork? Anyway, let's get on with the video. People have been asking for my Instagram, so that'll be on the screen now. Okay, so, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing. It all helps, and the likes, the comments, okay, especially the comments that are asking questions, because in my videos, comments make the content. It's just as simple as that. You comment and then I bring up talking points in the videos, okay? So let's get over the ground and have a little look, okay? So I want to try and keep this short as I can. There's quite a few talking points. So let's get over. Yeah, there's one guy who commented, said, as usual, you can skip the first few minutes. I'm sorry if you don't like the intro, but it's the nature of the beast. You have to provide an intro. Rather than just getting straight into the video. It just look weird if it just got straight into the video. So let's get around here, well above them cranes. Even though it does look close, it's really not. I'm looking at it in the air, and you know the drones are dotting the air now, right above them cranes. So there's the 3 back spans in, and the 3 front spans, and that third one on the right hand side being the latest one to have gone in. So I'll get right over and we'll have a look down, see if there's yeah, that was stopped. Yeah, it's unsupported now. It was the faster getting these done, aren't they? Oh yeah, people asking what these were on the pitch last time. That the heat lamps for the pitch help the grass grow. Yeah, that's all they are. At night they glow up and they look a bit yellow, that's all. But yeah, the heat lamps to help the grass grow, that's all. That's all these are on the pitch. Yeah. So, thought to get that in while I remember, so let's get over the site itself. I'm going to spend a few minutes over the site and then I'm going to get onto the talking points, because they've got quite a lot to get through and I don't want to go on too long. Okay, so there's a good look over. Again, I'm well above that crane there. It's just at different angles. It looks really close. I'm not. Looks like I'm going to hit it. And so there we go. Let's get a top-down view and go right over the site. And we'll have a look, see the starting the other spans. But they've got the terracing to put up yet, so them spans won't be going on anytime soon, but they have got to be going on soonish because of the target that they want of taking the roof off the old Anfield roads during the World Cup. Okay, so there's a little look at that from the top looking down. So when I've covered the talking points, I'll get onto the what's looking like from the back. So while I'm here, one of the talking points was why don't they join the Anfield Road and the main stand in the corners? Well, if you look down there, right in the centre of the screen, that's the support for the roof for the main stands. and there's going to be something similar for the Anfield Road. So that's the reason why they can't join the corners up. There's going to be a lot of obstructed views, and yeah, it just won't work. So it's just going to be 4 straight stands. Because you might try and get it, yeah, I'll show you, because they might try and get a few seats in, like they have, but this is only a few, like they have in the corner of the Anfield Road and Kennedy stands. Let's bring it down a bit. I'm over the pitch. Let's bring it down a touch. You can see in that corner there, there's a few that are like in the corner, and I mean a few though. There's really not many. Okay, so let's get high again. And cover a few more talking points before, because I don't like my videos going on too long, as everyone knows. If I can get it as close to 10 minutes as possible, then I'm happy. So let's get back. Have a look how it's looking from this side. Yeah, you know, in my last video I was asking where people were from, and you know, you didn't let me down. Bloody hell, all over the world you are, and I loved hearing from where everyone was from. Even someone said you're from Ormskirk, it's brilliant, you know. And then I've got Bali, Florida, California, I can't remember them all off the top of my head, but there was loads, just everywhere. Australia, New Zealand. It was great to hear that. Also, I said that Liverpool's a small city, and someone said it isn't that small. I meant small in comparison to cities around the world. You know, it's a good thing that Liverpool's, it's compact. It's easy to get around Liverpool. There's some major roads that go from one end of the city to the other end of the city, and it's dead easy to get round. I say you can get from one end to the other in 40 minutes, which I don't know if you've been to New York. It takes that just getting from one end of Manhattan to the other. Okay, so I didn't mean it was small, as you know, in a bad way. I mean it was good that it's, you know, it's compact. Okay. Oh yeah, there was a self-confessed Bitter Blue who commented saying he's mellowed since watching my videos, which is good. But one thing I do keep up with videos is the banter and the politics. I mean football politics, you know, how clubs are run, and there's always loads of banter, and I just, you know what, I don't respond to them, because I don't want to alienate, you know what I mean? I want this channel's for everyone, not certain sets of fans. And I'm getting loads of fans from other teams commenting, like Spurs, Forest. They're commenting from everywhere. Just getting a side view now of how this is looking from the side. Oh yeah, thank you for everyone that's wished me well. Starting my second year at uni. I start there tomorrow. So I'm in Wednesdays and Fridays. I'm going to try and do a vlog on my progress. It's just for people that are interested in photography, because it's a digital imaging and photography degree I'm doing. So there's going to be lots of photography on this channel. So if that's for you, you know, you're in the right place. And I'll give some updates, and if it's something you're interested in, these courses are always asking for people to get on them. So yeah, if it's something that you want to do, then jump on this course. It's interesting, and you learn a lot. Also, someone said, do them spans come off once the roof goes on? No. The roof panels will be going on top of the of those spans, basically. And as I've always been taught when I was in the military, and now I'm in uni, and when I was in school, no question's a stupid question. If you're not sure, ask the question. Then go from the back. So if you look to just to the left of that, the left hand span, you see that they put more framework in for the terracing. So I imagine they're going to do that part there, and then I'm going to move on to the other side maybe and start putting that in. I don't know. Yeah, it's just something that maybe they'll start doing it. I'm not too sure. I say construction's not my forte, but you can see just down there, that one's taking shape now, that side. So yeah, so just get a little look around it, and I just wanted to mention how YouTube works. Like I'm trying to get this channel to grow, get to reach more people. So likes help the algorithm, comments help the algorithm. Okay, even if you want to, tell me how crap I am, it helps me. Believe it or not. So yeah, it's up to you what kind of comment you want to leave me, but all the comments are appreciated. And especially subscribing and viewing me my channel, because I have a look at the analytics and I'm getting a lot of returning viewers, which is brilliant. I'm happy about, which also shows that it's getting a wider spread to new viewers, and it shows me all this in the analytics in the on my YouTube page, in my YouTube studio, if you like, it's called. So yeah, I really appreciate everything that you're doing for me. I think you get what I'm getting at now. So I'm going to leave this here, guys. I've rambled on, yeah, a bit too much. But yeah, I'm going to come down midweek and I'm going to get it, as I know I've been far away today, but it's just that I don't like getting close to the workers. Okay, so there's quite a bit of work going on the actual stands under the truss and the spans. I say it's not that noticeable at the moment because it's all going on inside as well. So I'm going to leave that there, guys, and you know what? Thank you for watching, subscribing, and please comment and ask questions so I've got more content for the next video. Okay, speak to you all soon.